So what is meant by power of a lens? Define an SI unit. You have two lenses A and B of focal length plus 10 cm and minus 10 cm respectively. State the nature and power of each lens. Which of the two lenses will form a virtual and magnified image of an object placed 8 cm from the lens? Draw a ray diagram to justify your answer. So what is power of lens? It is the ability of a lens to converge or diverge the light rays falling on it. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by a lens. Reciprocal focal length of the lens. So power SI unit of the power is 1 diopter. As it is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So we have given the focal length that is plus 10 centimeter, and in meter it will be the 0.1 by dividing in 100, and so it will be the converging lens, that is the convex lens. So to calculate the power we have the given formula, that is 1 upon Fa, where Fa means that it is the focal length of the A lens, and focal length of A lens is given, we have already calculated, that is 0.1 meter. So the power of A lens is plus 10 diopter, and the focal length of B is given minus 10 centimeter. Here we have calculated in the meters, that is 0.1 meter and minus 0.1 meter, and it will be the diverging concave lens. To calculate the power, the formula is 1 upon the focal length of B lens, that is 1 upon minus 0.1 meter. So the power will be minus 10 diopter. So in this case, the object is placed at distance 8 cm from the lens, which is less than the focal length. The object will be in between the optical center and the principal focus of the lens. Hence, this is the convex lens, as convex lenses have the ability to converge a parallel beam of light into a point. The point is called the focal point of the convex lens, and the distance from the optical center to the focal point is called the focal length, and therefore the lens A will form virtual and magnified image of an object. This is the object and this is the image we have formed.